Hey guys, welcome back to Pronounce Something the Besties. Today we're getting a car wash. Look at my window.
So sorry.
I know, we're so sorry. Look, we're going into whatever this thing is called.
I call it the spider leg.
What the heck? Why is this really scary?
Hey, spider leg. Ew, why are you giving it more?
Oh my god!
Well, guys, I just kind of found like this alien thing, and I don't know what it is. Get up, get up. Get up.
Get up! Oh my god, it's super loud. This is scary. Look all the soap. Bye bye soap. We see light again.
Stop. Well, guys, like and subscribe if you want this stuff.
Let's see the map.
Hey,
Oh, hello, sir.
I seen you before
Sir,
when I was down there.
Hello, sir. No, Sophia.
They
can't
can't move. They can't go through those.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hello.
He looked.
Thank you.
And that's
Extra.
okay. That's it for That's it for today's vid. It's kind of blurry the window. How do you guys think the car wash was? Oh, bye, kind sirs. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, we're done. So yeah, Maya.